Day 22, right on time. Thank you for joining me again today. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe so that it's a free way to support the channel. If you're so inclined, especially around the holidays, if you're so inclined, you can click the membership and support Wanda's Workbasket on an ongoing basis if you so choose. And thank you. Thank you for hanging around, and thank you for spending this precious time, your absolutely precious time with me. Thanks for joining me for all these things. Now let's open 22, 22, 22. Okay, so first we have Arteza, 22. There's 23. 21. 22, way up here. Way up here. Oh, wait, is this looking cheesy in the middle here? This says acrylic marker, fine nib, gold. Ooh. Oh yes, I love a good gold pen. Nice. Shake, pump, and draw. This is a paint marker, so you have to shake it up. Hear the little bead? Yep. That means it's mixing up the paint in there, and then you have to pump it and pump it and pump it until it actually comes out. And hold it there, and then you can start drawing with the gold pen. Very nice. I'm not going to open it right now because that will cause it to dry out sooner. Sooner than I would want it to. Okay. Now, Daphne. What does Daphne have today? Let's see. Alright. Let's see what Daphne has. Oh, stickers. Let me see. Uh-huh. There's some stickers to and from. They are package stickers. This one has a little angel. And it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of a kind, and a tree, and it looks like a cardinal. I think so. It's a little difficult to see. And a house. So we have 16 little gift packages. Very pretty. And Diamond Painting Creations. Let's see. Oh boy. Okay. Interesting. A two-placer. Alright. Something I have quite a lot of. This is from Add More Zest. Oh, that's pretty. What is this? Ah, alright. Comes in this little pouch. It's a card that you diamond paint on top of, and it's a rose. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, and you can fill it out yourself, and you've got the red and white drills that go inside. Very pretty. Very pretty. That's very useful. And now for Deutschland. Let's see what Deutschland has. Ooh. Ah, okay, this is an owl. A little owl diamond painting. Let's see. Let's take a look at it. I don't know what it is with owls right now, but I guess they're popular. Alright, this is pretty. This is an owl that is all gems. It's got the different shapes of the gems. Very pretty. Looks like a blue owl. Yeah. Yep. These are the goodies we got today. It'll keep me busy for a while. What do you think? All my goodies will anyway. Are you ready for Christmas? Do you have all your packages wrapped and buttoned and bowed and all prettied up and waiting for the big day? Some of you maybe only have cards to do and mail out like gift certificates and things like that to loved ones. If you're not living close, let me know how far along you are. Hopefully you're close. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I will see you around. Don't forget Tea and Talk Tuesday nights. Don't forget the holiday premieres coming up, starting early Christmas Eve, and don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. See you tomorrow. Bye.